What's up, and welcome to a new vlog. Possible, I don't know if I'm gonna make a vlog, but if so, this is the intro. So, me and Oscar is on our way to ride some ice, and it's finally cool weather in Sweden. It's starting to get warmer, so the sun is out, and everyone is in a good mood except him. And yeah, so let's go out on the lake. But it looks pretty cool, like all the snow is melted, so it's like just ice, which gets, hopefully we can do some wheelies now this time, because the grip is better. But yeah, also it looks a bit scary because there's like big fucking cracks from the ice. So yeah, hopefully we won't go through. If we do, then hopefully we'll get that on film at least. So yeah, bye.
Sometimes we forget why we're here. It's easy to fall off track. These help us remember.
These battle scars don't look like they're faded, don't look like they're ever gone away. They ain't never gonna change. These battles.
Growing up, I had a dream, something no one else could see. Tell me what it means when your faith is falling beneath your knees and you can't breathe. Everything you see reminds you of what you're not or something you won't be. You gotta take what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in a business. Not because they wanna do it, just because they heard it pays. And who the fuck wants to be poor knowing that's how we've been raised? Society is getting heavy, I can feel the weight. The pressure of success is like 100 million pounds of shame. And that's the reason
I'm going for you. Nej, men lägg av. We should get like spikes on our boots also.
Let's go.
So we did some riding, and like the ice is clear, but it's so soft on the surface, so it's like as soon as you ride it gets like crushed like that, so it's super duper slippery, and like you barely can pop any wheelies unless it's like hard. So yeah, we're just goofing around. Yeah, I don't know what the plan is. So we're done riding. What are we gonna do now?
I don't know.
What?
Take some beer or something. I'm sick.
So we both are super sick. We're gonna barbecue, I think. I don't know if I'm gonna film that or if this even is gonna be a vlog. But if it is, we're gonna meet up with some friends and barbecue. And jag är så dålig på det här. I should have that in slow-mo. And we got the bikes loaded. Oh! Smack! And smack. Do you want to explain what we're doing? I take that as a no. So we're busy barbecuing. What the fuck gör man på den här?
Vad man gör? Grilla.
Lägger köttet direkt på hoven.
Jajamän.
Okay. Yeah. I don't know what the plan is, but we got some company also. They're busy there. I don't know if you can see anything. Preparing food. So I'm just walking around doing nothing as usual.
Sponsored by Heineken.
Yeah, this guy seems to be sponsored by both Red Bull, Heineken, what more?
Not Saaraazh.
No, not that.
No.
Yeah. I want some food. Apparently Swedish people can't barbecue without BBQ sauce. So we're on our way to the supermarket to get some sauce. Brukar inte det vara i kyl? Vad är de här? En räcker eller? Jag äter fan inte ens ben. Bam! Viktigt. And we're back. How's it going?
Va?
Det är så jävla dåligt.
Vadå? Vad ska jag säga? Nu börjar potatis. If this vlog made you hungry, leave a thumbs up. And time to eat.